Good morning, good afternoon, traders. Welcome everyone in the TEFS YouTube trading room and in the VIP room 44 trading room. I hope everyone is okay, including our fantastic team. Hi, Clifton. Good morning. Steve C. Good morning, Brian. Nice to see everyone. And let's just see what's happening on the markets. Well, 2 days in a row for the red, and seems like we do continue. Where are you, bulls? Come on, wake up. So seems like, guys, that this relentless bull market is just witnessing a small pullback. I still would not say that this is going to be the big boom. However, you never say. Of course, never. But I would say that this is might still not the big boom what the bears are waiting for, but there is a reason for a little party there. Question for how long? Because surprisingly, the economic news are not the reason for that. GDP was higher than expected. Jobless claims, unemployment claims, it was lower than expected. Core durable goods orders better than expected. So economy is booming or not? Let's see. Well, guys, we see a pullback now. Let's see whether it's going to be continued. I'm going to be ready for every scenarios again from this crazy market. And if I'm just checking the economic calendar, though, as I've told you, GDP numbers, jobless claims out, and we're still going to get some more here, especially like FOMC member speakers and existing home sales at 10 o'clock. FOMC member Bauman speaks, and FOMC member Schmid and Williams just started to speak as well. Later on, 1 p.m., FOMC member Barr speaks. Later, Logan, Daly is 3:30. So full of FOMC members for today. Hi, Nitsa, nice to see you. Okay, so as you can see, both of the indices are pulling back on. I would say that this is a plain profit taking. What we do see on the market, SPY is down 0.52, triple Q a bit lower, 0.73, and my watch list actually we still have some greens like WMT, Apple is green too, PepsiCo, J&J, and CVX, but the rest is really red, including SoundHound, Reddit, Hood, UPST, Unity, AFRM, PLTR, Coin, Roblox, MU, SMCI, TQQQ, AMD, Tesla, mRNA, AVGO, and so on. Everything is onto the red side at the moment. So on the international news and on the news, indeed, not too much. S&P 500 futures decline for the third day as once hot AI play Oracle falls, yield increase. This is definitely not a good sign. And VIX is quite bouncing, guys. So until the VIX is showing fear buy, let's call it like that, and until this point, I think that this pullback is going to stay. I'm expecting, by the way, like one more red, and then next week the big Labor Day week is coming. Labor market news week is coming, like Georgia job openings, ADP non-farm employment change, unemployment rate, and so on. And maybe this can be a make or break for the market, but whether it's going to really make a big pullback to the downside, or this is just a noise in this relentless bull market. We still don't know that. Hi Tara, hi Zuri, nice to see you everyone. So yesterday I had a beautiful green day. I left some TQQQ to the short side. Indeed, I just left it in when I left some shares, and I just removed the stop loss. So it is a very nice green trade at the moment. Of course, I'm going to close it in the beginning of the day because I'm expecting a small pullback on this market, especially because of the better than expected economic data on GDP and jobless claims. All right, traders, if I'm just checking all over the world, Europe is in red, Asia mixed. Nikkei still green slightly. Hang Seng it's pulling back a little bit. As I just told you, the US 10 years are just bouncing like crazy. Futures red, and the crypto is red too. And at the moment, Bitcoin is moving back. Indeed, just a second, traders. Just a second. Guys, there is a little emergency now. I'm just coming back. Just a second. Okay, traders, sorry for that. It's nothing serious, thank God. Sorry for that. I am back. So let's see. Andy, thank you very much for your list. Open, yeah, definitely. Some more news, QURE as well, and lots of shorts. That's going to be on my side as well. So let's see the big movers. Indeed, as I mentioned, you most of the stocks are down and the stock exchanges as well. However, the yields are pushing higher, and the crypto is pulling lower as well. So I'm going to watch Hood on the radar together with coin. Might they are going to pull back a bit, so I want to be there definitely. All right, traders, as I've told you, we have some fantastic movers starting with Oracle from the news as the software company fell 3%. Worries around the AI trade continue to drag the stock lower. Let me just check Oracle. How does it look like at the moment? Yesterday it tried to climb back towards to this 3010 area. Now seems like it is just giving up under $300. I'm going to watch first, as usual, the pre-market lows, and after that, this 290 level indeed. Kodiak Steve C. Okay, we can just check it. I know that was a crazy mover like months ago, and as this is an AI play, this can be definitely a crazy mover. Hi Zuki, nice to see you. Okay, guys, so Oracle, I'm just going to put it to my short list. Long, I'm going to put SQQQ and the VIX. If we do continue further, I think these can be a good ones. Short, definitely Oracle, it's here. Intel higher. Reason for that, Bloomberg report told Intel has approached Apple about investing in the chip maker. So seems like that Intel is still on the play to the long side. However, if you check the pre-market, it's just nasty pullback on the INTC. I don't know. I'm going to call it to the long side, but I'm not sure what's going to happen. If we see on the market overall a pullback, this is going to impact Intel as well. Transocean is down, but this is a $3 stock RIG. If you like these lower price stocks, then I'm just going to move it for you to the secondary list RIG. Okay, open door. As I mentioned you, more news on the stock, and trading firm Jane Street disclosed 5.9% stake in the online real estate platform, sending the shares 5% higher. The stock has surged more than 400% and seems like it's still not the end, so open can go to our long list. Here comes JBL Electronic Manufacturing Company, 4% lower despite of a good numbers on the earnings. So let's see what happened with JBL. At the moment, I would say sell the news event on the JBL, and definitely it's going to go on my short list. Stitch Fix is here as well, 7% on SFIX. Again, this is an earnings matter. Traders, SFIX. I cannot trade it. Reason for that, quite of a low volume stock, so that can be a bit risky. That's why I'm going to put it just to the secondary list. HAT is here as well. HTZ, nice move to the upside, as has agreed to sell $375 million in exchangeable senior notes. Well, I'm not sure whether it's going to make this stock moving nicely, and I do not even like too much this stock, to tell the truth. If you like it, I'm just going to put it to the secondary list. QUR is here, and again 7% after yesterday, big move indeed. So let's see whether it can stretch this amazing push to the upside. Nice, just touching $56. That's crazy. I'm going to put it to the long list, but I'm going to be careful with that stock. As you know, these biotech stocks, they can just be like a pump and dumpers. However, this is a really, really good news for the QURE. KMX is here, 13% lower on disappointing results. So let's just put it on the short list. And BlackBerry is the last one, added 2.6% and already pulled back, but this is a very low price stock now, and traders under $5. So that's why I'm just going to put it on my secondary list. Yes, Buzak, I remember. And you know what? When I've seen in the evening that it just reached 50, I could not believe. And I was not actually believing in that, that it's going to. And you see, this is what when I'm telling you traders that I have not seen, I would say actually during my 18 years of experience on that stock exchange. I've never seen such a crazy environment than now. Yeah, this is the crazy environment. Yes, it is. That's good. Busak, good. Oh, it's for you, the new record. I'm so happy for you. Very good. Well done. Okay, guys. Hi, Dan. Hi, Marco. Good morning to you. All right, traders, I still have some to the short side. As you know, shorts are definitely going to be maybe the the best place for today if the market is going to be continued. So far, actually, Reddit, it's very strong to the short side for me. Hood as well, maybe even coin, PRTR days I'm going to watch to the short side. So first, Reddit, Hood, PRTR, maybe even Soundhound, but oh no, Soundhound, I'm not going to put it there. I'm just checking what my other favorite overstretched stock is doing, which is Roblox, finally breaking down. So even this is going to be on my short list. And here we are. I am ready with my list. Of course, most of the big names are on my short list too. However, first, I would like to see quite of an evidence that the market is going to be continued lower. As I told you, I'm not going to be surprised on a small pullback because of the economic news. They were quite good indeed. And I'm just going to make a interesting interesting start of the day. I mean, like, I'm going to be a little bit more cautious at this time because of that fact that I'm just telling to the new ones that both of the unemployment claims and the GDP numbers, it was just higher than expected. So traders, watch out for this crazy market. I wish you a beautiful green day in the VIP room, guys, and I'm going to see you tomorrow. Bye. Okay, Busak, which one? Okay, hello. Checking, just a second. Just we have a little trouble here with the link with Amir. Just a sec. Okay, and OKLO for the long. My goodness, these are just pushing higher again. I can't believe these stocks. GTI. All right, we can watch definitely OKLO too. Okay, I'm just waiting for Amir to join the party here. Just a second, traders. Okay, if not, I need to. Okay, just a second. Okay, guys. Big up, down. It will retrace some. Yes, Buzak, I think so as well. Indeed. I see now. Tesla long on open looks good also. Yes, Tesla doesn't, you know exactly that Tesla doesn't it just doesn't care about overall market. So I agree with you that we can just watch it definitely to the long side. And actually, Apple is not that weak either. So I'm going to watch Apple too. I don't know what's happening on that stock indeed, but seems like a little bit like stronger again, like the overall market. Oracle is not good for sure. As I've seen, Reddit is pulling back big time, which I'm going to be aware of. What else? We still have a lot actually here. But as I mentioned, you traders, I'm going to be extra careful. A reason for that, again, it is the better than expected economic news indeed. Hi, Amir. As I see you are in. Fantastic. Just a sec, I'm going to get you into the trading room. As you know, guys, Thursday there is Amir coming in. Just a second. Okay, here we are. How are you, Amir? Me too. Me too. Okay, I just move your. Okay, move the bottom. All right, here we are. I think you can hear Amir traders.
Hey guys, quick sound check, especially from Buzang that want to long the Tesla. Guys, sound check. You
Clear.
can
Thank you, Zuli.
clear. Thank you.
Zach. Thank you,
Thank
Tara.
you.
Thank you, Andrew. Fantastic. So, did you trade PURE yesterday, Amir?
Which one?
PURE.
QURE.
Mm-hmm.
No, no. What was that? QURE. Oh no. What was
Mm.
there? Ah, it
Big
was a
move
good.
to the upside.
No, no, I didn't even see that. Weird. You did it something?
Um, well, I missed
Okay,
it as
you
far as
don't.
I
You don't.
remember,
Yeah.
but Buzak, he did until
Agi, you said
$50.
everything before you said anything. You had the pause, so it means that you didn't.
You see?
Okay,
No.
so yeah. No, I didn't see that even. You know what? I don't know.
It was on our list because it got the big news.
Okay, I'm.
And it's
Never
up
mind.
again. Crazy. Okay.
Okay, so these are the four stocks that I'm watching: Oklo Chemics, RGTI, and MU. Regarding small cap, definitely we need to watch LAC, LAC and Open. Yeah, it's small cap, but they're moving like a big cap. So KMX looks good. Of course, I'm watching also the Tesla. Um, Buzank, I told you something. I told I think something in the room. Now you are not objective Tesla. Why? Because in your mind you just want to long it. Okay, that's wrong. That's wrong. Maybe you can do a bounce or something, but Tesla, all the suckers that start to buy it later, now they kick them out. Until where? I don't know. But really, I don't need to know. I
Yeah,
don't
it's
care.
a
I
bit
just want to see it.
risky.
Yeah, yeah. Um, but definitely, it's a good candidate. Tesla, and I forgot to mention also INTC.
Oh, yes, INTC.
Suddenly, it start to raise your head and blah blah blah. But yeah, it's too many stocks.
Yeah, again. Hmm.
KMX, Oakland, Spaghetti. Okay, so that will be at least to see at the beginning. Again, Oklo, learn those stocks. What's the ATR? So then if I'm going to tell you, okay, MX, I'm taking, let's say, $2 stop. Makes sense because it's almost 10 ATR. Okay, so this is how to learn. Learn the levels, see what the low, what the high, what's the daily. Prepare. Definitely for the opening, you can be prepared for the trade. It's vague, but you can be prepared because if it's coming to certain levels, boom shakalak, really.
Mm.
So that's it.
Okay. Good question. Does the ATR count gaps?
Does the ATR does the ATR count gaps? The ATR is taking into account the last, I can't remember how many. Um, Let me tell you something about the ATR. It's a certain guidance. Why? Because if, for example, a stock that's doing $1 and there is a huge uh, gap up or down, and the relevant volume is huge, and already did, like, let's say, a few bucks, the ATR is not relevant, but it's relevant. How? Let's say when I'm taking partials or getting into something, I keep it on my back of my mind, because in a really extravagant, situation, it's above. So you have a good momentum stocks. But I can say, for example, if it's running, let's say 2, 3 ATR, I can take some another partial, whatever. I can relate in something. I need to know. Okay, I need to know. But this is something definitely 14 days. Thank you, Nitan. But definitely this is something. This is like to be prepared. To be prepared. Yesterday, for example, my best trade was Tesla above 439. Why 439 was the high of the pre-market. It was very simple trade, really. 439, I think I had like a $2 stop, and wow, really straightforward. So it's a good, especially if you're trading the opening. If you're not, and it's fine. You wait for the big sellers, buyers, transactions appearing. After 20 minutes, 30, yeah, you can start, trading. It's fine. But if you are, definitely you need to know. So if you pick one of my picks or your picks or whatever, you need to know. SPLC. What is a small cap? I think I saw SPLC this week. Uh, I'm gonna tell you about my playbook about those kind of things. Nitzan, SPLC, high of the pre-market is 720, okay? Now I have to watch the daily, and I can see the daily we have some resistance around 850, and definitely it can move. 6, just because it's around numbers, I would start. I won't buy full size, and definitely I have to buy to see a stop. Right now, you still need a stop. I think to start with the low 70 cents on SPLC, it's a lot. But 6 is something, if I want to trade SPLC, I will write myself 6, 720, and then, daily 850. And those can get, really. Right now, it's only 47. We traded a stock that started with 180, 170%. We got to 400. And I saw, what was the name of that stock that was thousands of percentage? Like, I don't remember. It was a few weeks ago. So, things can happen. Agi doesn't like to trade those kind of things, huh? Agi.
Which one?
The big, the small cap that moves, 100%, something like this. It's not
No,
your cup of tea.
no, it's not. My cup of coffee is here, but no, it's not my cup of
Your cup of coffee is TQQ, Roblox, and Reddit,
Reddit.
and the major one. Yeah, each one, has his own variety.
Exactly.
Yeah, you feel comfortable, You have to. You have to feel comfortable. You can't imitate. Definitely, if you think that you're locked, you need to expand. But when you do something that you don't really familiar, really low size,
Yeah.
because you have to taste. You don't know what's gonna happen.
Hmm. Like Oracle. Who Tara, what's my plan? Let's see after it opens.
Oracle.
Because it's just wow.
Tara, what is your plan on Oracle? Why are you asking Agi? You are a very intelligent, smart, and successful Swiss
I'm
trader.
sure she
Yeah.
has the plan. She's
No,
just
so
interested in my plan.
no,
But I
no.
don't have yet a plan. Let's see what it's doing after the market opens.
Yeah. What's your plan, Tara? What's nice about, yeah, I'm gonna tell you, I'm not, I just watch it right now. You're talking about Intel or Oracle? Intel or Oracle? What did she talk?
Oracle.
Oh, Oracle.
Intel can be so crazy nowadays. Like
Yeah.
out of the blue, it's just going $3.
Oracle, you have to watch the 292, that's for sure. 292, 291,
That's for sure.
75. Yeah, that's the number here. That's the number. That's the number that it
Yes.
starts to go. Yeah, that's sure a number. Definitely your low of the day. It's 295. You have something around 3. Yeah, those kind of the things. Except that, I really don't know even what to do with Oracle. I don't know why it's going down. I think it's the king of the world now. No, Aggie.
No,
We
it got
have good.
some trouble with the these AI things.
Which trouble?
Oh,
They buy TikTok. They have good earning.
semmi baj, szívem.
Their CEO doesn't know how many yacht to buy since he have so many. What could be problem there? Nice daily. We're thinking under 292. No, you see, Tara, you didn't do the research. The low of the gap is 291.75. Okay, 292 you can get into 291.75 and bounce. So
Let's see, because this market is, I don't know, you know what? I'm not going to be surprised if it's ending in green at the end of the day. Don't think so it
okay,
will though,
yeah.
because now finally I see some sellers and profit taking. So I can imagine, you know, like this day and tomorrow it's still a red one. But if I'm just checking the daily chart, I think the 50 EMA is going to stop it.
Hmm.
And first the 20, of course. But if it's
Okay.
getting worse, then the 50 definitely. But we are still very far away. Good luck,
Yeah.
everyone.
Good luck. What are you saying here? If Oklo is gapping down 20 points, does that mean it already exceeded ATR? You think the buyers or the sellers care about the ATR? It's something for us. They don't even know that it exists. Yeah.
Uh, oops.
Okay, so Oklo and KMX.
Apple strong. Apple
Okay,
is
Oklo.
strong. Okay, Oracle, nice. 295. GTI. How about Tesla? Popping down.
I'm watching KMX. Gonna be pretty fast. The low of the day 44.80, and it's gonna be like a 40-cent stop. I have to, just a second. Let's open a big spread right now, like a 20. I need to see it.
Mm. INTC strong in the meantime. Okay.
Riget is getting up. Oklo has been
Oof.
bought.
QURE again. Look at that craziness. Okay. Open down. Hmm. I think 655 can be a quite of a stronger support on the SPY traders and definitely the 590 on the triple Q. Might we will see a drop till these levels and then let's see. Oracle,
Um,
95 I was thinking on.
Oklo. Ah,
Wow.
sorry, I missed it. I missed it. I missed it. It was 115 level that I like it. Buzak, you want to long Tesla? Look at it. 114. Oklo.
MU looks like a bearish too. I like MU
I
traders
wanted
as well.
to. Again, what's going on with me? Please, okay, under
165.
114, I want to take Oklo. Stop gonna be $1.50. 114. Give the ask to go under. Okay, because now it's spreading, so you have to be maybe a $2 stop. I don't care because it's getting under the bid, but the ask is still really above. So I'm still watching it. I'm not there yet.
Hmm. Want to see a dollar on MU?
What did
I
you do in MU, Agi?
short.
Short it? Okay.
INTC I'm watching because this is just building strengths. I like your Oklo as well.
I'm in Oklo.
Looked very nice.
I'm in Oklo. Agi, there's a long way.
I
That stock,
know.
that stock can take our liver, our kidney, and everything, or give
Oh,
us
goodness.
a vacation in Bora Bora. That's
That's
the
it.
relationship. Yeah,
I know.
she can kill our guts, or she can give us an amazing trade. What's okay? So what I'm seeing right now, 110.50. It's the low of the day. Okay, I don't see the capitulation. Let's tell you the truth. I thought under this I'm gonna see it like okay. So now if it's coming above 114.20, something like this, I'm reducing half position. Okay. I
Mm-hmm.
wanted to see the seller come. Okay, that's kind of okay.
Nice.
Look at this one in 1 minute. Oh boy, Aggie, we're screwed.
What are you, Oklo, again? Oh my
You
God, I
see?
so much hate these games.
I told you,
I
Bora
know.
Bora kidney.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. And you just completely describe it
Yeah,
10
yeah,
seconds
exactly.
before.
Yeah.
My goodness.
That's the environment you need to. I reduced only half. I didn't succeed to, and I'm not. I don't have problem. I got half, and the half will be. Yeah, it will
Mm,
be above 117. I just can't get out of this like this. So it's gonna be a little bit bigger losses, but I'm not. Maybe a shake up. What I'm gonna do is under 114. Yeah, under 114, I'm gonna take back the full position.
mm. Okay.
On the
PLTR short under 175.50 traders.
guys,
Market does
KMX
continue.
under 45. I'm gonna take half position. Stop right now is 40 cents. Okay.
Stop loss on PLTR over 177, I would say. Let's see. Okay, MU is in green, PLTR in. Market pushing down. But I don't like MU does not continue yet. Doesn't follow the triple Q. Come on.
Living a lot of spikes, you are
Yeah.
vicious stock.
Yeah, I don't like it. I don't like it,
Vicious
guys. I
stock.
think I'm just going to half my share size here. I just do not like what I do see here.
That's what I would do, definitely.
Mm.
At the
It's
opening,
not
you want to
playing
see
with
it
the market.
immediately. Yeah, you want to see it
Yeah.
immediately.
Listen, sometimes it's just lazy and goes later on,
No,
but
no, no, no,
I
no. At
just
the
do not
beginning,
want
we don't have
to be in
patience.
this trap if it's not moving. Okay, it's back to the entry, guys. I just lowering my share size here. Here we are, a little green now. Just buying back half. Let's see. I did.
Guys, under 45, 40 cents. Okay, in KMX, I want to see. Okay, in still Okla, half position. Stop is over 17, 117, unfortunately. Um, Under 44.80, I'm adding more in KMX. Okay, that's the low. And under 114 Oklo, guys. Again, I'm still dreaming about Bora Bora. I
Dreams
don't
are
want to think about.
important.
Yeah, I
They are
don't want to think
driving
about
you.
my kidney. Yeah, my kidney.
Yeah, definitely
Yeah,
your kidney is more important. So
yeah. I don't know. No, I don't want to think about it. Okay, guys. KMX, really. That was my. Yeah. Okay, let's see it. Open spread, which I like it right now. Shit. Now it's coming up a little
okay.
bit. 114, guys. Oklo. Okay. If you are not there, definitely it can be a trigger. Okay.
Nvidia is down too. Apple is strong, guys. Apple is strong. It can just make the reversal on the overall TQQ or a triple Q, so be careful. My PRT is in green, MU2.
Okay, Oklo, guys.
Yellow is back, nice.
Oklo.
Open is going down too.
I don't have the chart even, Agi. I don't
Mm.
have. I need 5 chart only on Oklo, Agi.
Yeah,
That's a dangerous one.
that's for sure.
Okay, Oklo. We have like a 30 second to finish this 1 minute. Hmm.
Tesla bear flag. Mm. Don't like this VIX on the PRTR either. SPRC halted. Are you in? Then be careful there.
PLC. Okay. I'm gonna. This is what you need to do. You got it at 6 where you want it. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, SPY triple
You
Q
got
pushing lower.
650. Okay. 720.
650.
You have some resistance on the daily, so you can prepare a 7 on your limit and see how it's gonna react.
Yeah. Okay. I don't like the fact SPY is breaking down like crazy, but my chosen short stocks are not moving.
No, mine are really
Can't
going
believe
amazing,
it.
Aggie.
Can't believe
Mine
it.
are
What
going.
is going down?
Okay,
What is
guys.
going down?
KMX low 44.50.
Nice.
Okay,
It's a good one.
so we need to. I have to be aggressive more. I'm gonna add
Yeah.
more under 44.50.
Okay,
That's
Apple
that's the
joining the
stock is
party.
21. Okay, Oklo, guys. Oklo.
Okay, PRTR,
Oh,
guys.
Oklo, I'm full size again.
Nice.
Holding my kidney.
I don't want to lose my kidney, so I'm just
Yeah,
taking
no,
a partial
I'm
on
playing all
PRTR.
in, Aggie. All in. Kidney, all the interior pieces.
Oh my
Yeah.
goodness. So
Okay, KMX, guys.
$1 on
Wow, really
partial on
good.
PRTR. MU, still
Guys,
giving the chance, but not my
44.
favorite.
We have a dollar. Let's take a partial here. Okay? Partial. I'm taking a partial. I triple size there. Partial. Okay, and Oklo. Wow. Wow.
Nice,
Oklo, I'm
Oklo.
gonna take three
Finally.
quarters. I wanna see if we can you know what? Now I'm waiting for this candle like 6 seconds to finish it.
Yeah.
Okay, so partial KMX. Really good partial. No, I'm waiting with Oklo.
I did
Looking
partial on
good.
PRTR too.
111. Okay, let's see. I'm not gonna let it go above 12, that's for sure. But I'm preparing three quarters. I want to see if we break 111, 112. Yeah. Okay. Took a partial in Oklo.
Market starting to be a bit extended, guys. PRTR going to be out on the entry, 175.50. And MU last chance, 170, well, 156.60.
Okay. So guys, Bora Bora won the kidney. That's good. That's good. Yeah.
My goodness.
Yeah. It was a scary card, like it's not scary, but you just need to follow it. I succeed because I fast to reduce half, but you just can't and the worst scenario I would lose maybe a little bit more than two risk units, that's for sure. But
Yeah.
there was somebody took the trade, guys. KMX or Oklo.
Nice, Buzak. Massive size. I just joined Oklo as well when it came back.
That's
Second
good.
chance
That's
trade.
the latest. Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
You took the KMX. They're great. Good. Good, good, good. That's a good start. Yeah. Now work on your breathing. A little bit. Yeah, we need to come down.
Yeah.
Oklo. Look at Oklo. Really good. Damn it.
110 I need 110 here.
110, I want to see. I'm not going to take another partial immediately there. I want to see if we can break it. Maybe on a big break, I'm gonna take maybe 109.50 or whatever. That's my
Hmm.
game plan.
Good.
That's good. Yeah.
SPY Tokyo are really pushing down, but guys, the Apple is still strong.
Where
Apple
was
is still
your
strong.
stop on the MU above the VWAP, Aggie?
Now it is about the Viva. Before that, 157. We just
Hmm.
started with a little bit more,
Yeah. Really, it's
gave you a
annoying.
little bit more
Yeah. All the
chance.
time it's doing a little bit low and immediately
Yeah,
coming back. Yeah, I hate this.
exactly,
Yeah, I hate.
exactly. Okay, nice pullback on the market.
Mm.
But this Apple looks suspicious for me. Oracle looks good for a short
Oracle,
390.
Oracle
Not at the
doesn't look good
moment.
for nothing.
Yeah,
Oracle looks nothing. Well, it broke, but immediately you see it go now. No, Oracle right now is nothing.
yeah. Out of PLTR. Let's see.
KMX, guys,
MU.
under 44.75, I'm gonna add, and my stop gonna be 50 cents. 44.75.
Okay.
Oklo still hold a quarter. Told you I took a 3/4 there. Stop right
Wow.
now. Yeah,
PLTR.
116.
It's crazy. Okay, SPY, I think it's reaching this 655, which I told you I see like a stronger support here. Yep. Let's see. Quite of a nice pullback on the market, but again, this is maybe just a temporary profit taking on the long run. Let's see. Open pulling back, big pullback on the PLTR. PLT, UPST down. Okay. I'm just amazed by PLTR. Look at that pullback. Oh my goodness. And here comes the MU as well. Hmm. Can't believe myself that I did not trade my favorite today, the TQQQ, with this market. Johnson and Johnson is strong, and we will get some news at 10 o'clock. We should watch. Where are we? Let me just check it. Ah, here we are. NVDA big pullback too. Traders, maybe the bulls are going to bite back again. Look at that.
Stop right now will be, I'm gonna add, I told you, KMX 44.75, 40 cents.
Okay, 10 o'clock we have the news. Market is pulling back hard now. How about AVGO? It was like a bit extended too. Ah, too late. Roblox. Huh? Roblox still can continue. I'm going to keep an eye on Roblox. Guys, MU is out too.
Oklo, my stop Oklo is 115.50. Yeah. Above this, I don't want to be there. Um,
Okay. Let's see the VIX index. How does it look like at the moment? Oof. Yeah. Bulls are back, guys. Looks like that the bulls are back again.
The Bulls are back in town.
Mm.
The Bulls are back in town.
That was the 2 days pullback, I guess. That's it. Look at NVIDIA, look at Apple. Open is back like
Wow.
crazy.
Wow. NVDA. Wow.
Told you. Bulls are
Wow.
back.
Wow.
This is
Wow.
the
That
deep buy again on the market.
it's not the Bulls. It's all the. It's entire herd.
Yeah, it is.
It's only one bull.
All
This is a
in.
big. Yeah. Yeah. Wow.
All in for the bulls, guys. Open, it's just wow. Touch 790, now it's going. I'm just checking where to enter there.
No. No. I'm watching. I don't have anything.
No, no, me neither, but very strong.
Okay. Chemix. The ad is not relevant. Over 45.50. I'm out. Uh, I'm watching the Oracle. Uh, I think I want a 294.10, a dollar stop. I want to long it. 294.10. Yeah. Want to see the volume. Yeah, 294.10. I'm gonna long. Okay, I'm in. Okay, let's put Oracle here. Okay, Oracle. Here again. Today I'm scalping. I'm gonna take 3 quarters. Okay, we have a dollar. I'm not taking a dollar for this. I just jeopardized the dollar. I want to see more. Like the volume. Okay. Okay, Oracle looking good. Looking good. Okay, we need another candle. Let's see if we can get 296. We have some resistance 296.80. Okay, I want to see more. Oklo. Oklo is out. KMX, guys.
Tesla.
Coming back to my ad. It's gonna be a new trade because I got out. 44.75, 40 cent stop. Okay?
Mm.
I got out about 50. But it was a shake up and it's fine.
I'm watching Tesla for a reversal here, but only over 429.
You want to short it?
Well, it depends on the market
Mm.
because at the moment it's still a nice reversal. CRWV running again. Just check it. Ooh, that's strong. But coin. Market, let's see.
Okay, KMX again in. New trade.
I think this is going to be the decision point on the market, whether if we are going to go back to the lows. Look at this nasty, ugly Roblox. I was just watching it for a short. It went up and I took it off. Because now, guys, if we go back to the lows and breaking it down, that can be a nasty one for the bulls. But so far, bulls just made a really nice attack. So I'm just still on the sidelines. Apple back, NVIDIA back. We got so much used to that, I mean, that every dip is bought back. So
Yeah,
maybe
I know.
it's just you
Okay.
cannot decide what's going to come next.
So like if it's like a crazy like Oklo, when I got to the partial, I took 3 quarters. That's the way I'm gonna handle those.
Yeah,
Yeah.
definitely.
Okay, KMX, 30 cents. What's the low of the day? 43.96. Okay.
Spy to focus still pushing lower. Open too late. I'm just checking where to hop in, but just too much now. Reddit pulling back. Tesla. So. Cannot find anything which I would really, really love at the moment. Very small green, but not a huge day yet. KMX still looks good. You are still in KMX, right?
I was, I got
Okay.
out. No, I got out, but then I got in again. I told you new
Okay.
trade 75, under 75.
Mm-hmm.
Um, yeah.
Okay. Oklo again, Buzak. 117 for a long. Hmm.
Oklo.
Flip the coin.
Do you have a good kidney? Look at the spike that it live in
Oh,
around 117. You should feel itches in your kidney, believe me. I don't know now. I don't know. Look at Oklo, and maybe it's too early for 5. No, but you know what? Aggie, put Oklo chart in 5 minutes. Aggie.
5 minutes, I'm
Yeah,
doing.
yeah.
Here we are. It's here. Down.
Okay. Now, I don't care levels, whatever. Feel, see what's going on. We have a big buyers, then we short it. Then you have a big buyers. Now you have two small candles, which definitely you can go above, but uh, look at the size, the volume of the, when it went down, it's a little bit bigger. I don't know. I don't know really. At the
Mm.
beginning, I knew what I wanted. Right now, I don't know. I know what you're looking, what you're seeing, but Um, guys, I'm
Yeah.
still in Oracle. So what I did with Oracle, came back, 10% under my entry. I reduced. Then now again, I added full size 294. I want to see that we're gonna get above 296 at least. So
Mm.
I'm still there.
Hi, D King. Good morning. Yeah, I'm in a small green. However, it was like MU was a small loser. PLTR, it was a winner.
The
But
king, hmm? The king woke up, Aggie. This
yeah,
is our king. He doesn't come like us, 9:30. He come in late
that's it.
when you are
And
a
now the
king.
market is struggling.
Yeah. I
So
like KMX. Okay, KMX. If it's
44.
coming above
Yeah,
44.70, I'm reducing half position, but looking good. Looking good.
market is back, surprisingly, so far at least. SMCI, not clear. Hood. Hmm. Maybe geometric.
KMX you want to add? Um, to tell you the truth, I don't see the enthusiastic there. Like it's going down, it's fine, but I don't see huge volume increase, and I would like to see some capitulation. Like you see a big, red bar that buyers are getting frightened and people start to throw their shares. I don't see it. It's still, candle by candle. So I'm okay. We are around 30, 40 cents in the money, but I don't know.
Mm.
I would expect more, 22% down stock. I would prepare more now. There's not much, a lot of short there. Lots of institutional are there, but I don't know what they're gonna do.
Yeah.
Um, Maybe at some point, if it doesn't go down, start to go a little bit up, some do formation over view up, I will start to buying it up. I don't know. I think they don't know yet.
Mm.
Really. Okay, Oracle. It's a dollar, but again, I want to. I like the Oracle formation.
Yeah, it looks strong. PRTR is the same, by the way.
I didn't see PLTR. You're talking about it. Let me see the charts. Yeah.
Weird.
PLT now is magic, huh? This is a magic
Mm.
stock. Well, I don't trade it a lot, but
SPY is still struggling, guys. It still can be like a double bottom here or a double. Yeah, it's a double bottom indeed. Tesla 425. I'm still waiting. I just cannot see anything which I would say
look,
that, yeah,
look,
this is the one.
look, look at the AMD has the same
Mm.
formation as Nvidia. Like I'm dying to buy AMD.
I like AMD,
157.
yeah.
Yeah, but I don't know. It's not really. It's not cooked. We have a AMD 80 cent stop. Like I'm not gonna buy it right now, but I have in my mind like if we're gonna see some more above the view up 157, 80 cent stop, which I love. I love the formation. Yeah.
Yeah, this one, yeah, it looks really good. I'm still not sure in this market because I'm not got used to this. If it's starting a V-shaped reversal, it's pulling back. It's quite unusual from the bulls. Soundhound short, yeah, I think so. It's just down 7% already.
Nitzan, I told you in the room, don't guys, don't throw shorts. If you want something, try to prepare the plan. Okay, like if you would say
QURE.
to me, sound 1650, Amir, what's the high? Yeah, you have 17 cents. What's the lows? It's barely 1 to 2, which is fine, but that's the way. Don't say short. There is a really good formation there. I don't know if the risk reward are the best, but I understand.
NVIDIA pushing higher.
KMX. Nice KMX. 75 cents. Really good.
Good.
Nice. Buzak, I'm still not gonna. Again, you can do whatever you want, but I'm not gonna add under 44. Okay, we broke the 44. Previous low was 96. Okay, we broke it. Really nice. Now, if it's not succeed to keep under above 44, click the bit. Click the button. Spread now is 2 cents, so it's really easy. Okay, we have a new low 88, 87, 83, 81. Let's see if we can get a dollar. Okay, above 90, I'm going to take a partial. Okay, 70. Okay, above 90, not before that. Okay, 78. 77. Good. 85, I'm going to take a partial. Above 85. Not yet. Partial. Okay. Almost a dollar. Good. KMX.
Okay, low moving higher. And I think I'm going to buy this Tesla, but only over 429 with a smaller share size. And seems like the NVIDIA is pushing back the whole market. Look at that, guys. NVIDIA is crazy.
Who bought the KMX, guys? The second trade. Again, didn't jeopardize us. Straightforward and really now we have a new low. Again, let it go, definitely. If I
Mm.
hear somebody that got out entirely, now I have the privilege to throw you from the room. So I can throw you. Like if somebody said he's out, I'm gonna throw you. You lost you lost the first one. I'm gonna send you a handkerchief, Nitan. Okay, you lost the first one. So what? So what? Who cares?
Here
Who
comes
cares?
AMD as well.
Oh, are you're taking AMD? Yeah. Well, Nvidia is doing this. You
Yeah.
know what? Yeah. Okay, I'm in AMD. Yeah.
Send me a beer. Okay, Buzak, let's see this Tesla. I'm not in yet Tesla. But the market, as I've told you, is just really making a nice double bottom here. INTC I missed. Just watching it. How about open? Not that good anymore. Okay, guys, bulls are completely back now, and I think we are going to get to green. Might a green day today. It's the SPY is down only like much 0.63. Well, it's nothing for the bulls to push it back to green. Look at that double bottom here. Amazing. Yeah, I did
57.
not realize it touched the 20 EMA on the daily, right? This was the 655. That's why I was keeping telling this 655, 6. Yep. Now let's see. So double bottom both on the triple Q and the SPY. Nice AMD, go, go, go. And Tesla is not in yet. Sometime, nothing. Ooh, look at Apple. Apple is coming back as well like crazy.
But I don't like the chart. It's not really
No, me
organized
neither.
chart.
I'm just,
There's
because of the
nothing.
market direction only. Like I do not want to trade
Today,
certain things.
today the chart of Apple is the ugly sister.
Yeah.
The nicest
Ah,
sister is the Nvidia and AMD. They have beautiful dress charts. Really. They have a beautiful chart. Hey guys,
yes, I did.
KMX 4370. Buzang, are you in? Still in KMX? If not, I have a friend in LA. I'm gonna send it to you. If you're not in.
Okay, Tesla is in as well. Yes, I am in
Good.
AMD
She didn't jump. We
and
talked about
Tesla.
AMD. We
Yes.
talked about AMD. 57, 80 cents. Yeah, definitely. You have 500 shares left. Good, good. Now I'm going to ask you a question, Buzang. Where is the next area you think we need to take some profit in KMX or something else? What do you think to do? Okay, guys, Oracle, $2, $2. That's cool. That's cool. Let it
Nice.
grow. Yeah. Now with the wind of the market, I'm not gonna take immediately partial. My stop now is under the entry. I didn't take any partial yet. Yo, okay, mix, amazing, amazing,
Mm.
amazing. Okay, KMix, toward 43. I don't have problem to throw even 43.10, something like this. Just because it's round number, it's gonna give us really good, really good. It's like $1.40, like it's one to. It's good. It's good.
Okay, big reversal on the overall market. I am in Tesla. I want to see a 430 break.
430 is a good area from yesterday, Aggie.
Yeah.
It was the high of the pre. Yeah.
Okay. What a comeback from the bulls. Amazing, actually. Sorry. There will be a lot of FOMO buyers again, right? For the second big round.
I thought Aggie AMD will do a little bit faster move, no? Like
Yes.
a $2, a quick $2 or something. Yeah.
Yeah, it's such a nice gap to fill. So
Yeah,
go,
yeah,
go.
yeah. It's much better than Nvidia. Nvidia already almost closed the gap.
Yes, it did. Okay. But PRTR is slow to the upside today. Market is almost back to the high of the day traders. That means that it's starting to fill the gap soon. And even the existing home sales was better than expected. So all of the economic news, it was better than expected. INTC running. Yeah, Alex, I missed it. It was very nice intraday breakout around 32. Just did miss
INTC.
it.
Yeah, INTC suddenly, if you could bought like I don't remember a few weeks or whatever, it was
Mm,
like 17. Like people that bought it there, 100%. Yeah, 100% on INTC.
mm. SPY triple Q back on track. We are just going higher and higher again. Okay, PLTR going. Open on the VWAP. Going to watch it here for a reversal. Oh, come on, Tesla. We can beat 432. SPY ready to break soon, as I see, even triple Q. Bulls are back again. So that was another 2 days pullback. That's it. Are you in INTC, Alex? Hope so. Okay. Come on, Tesla, push it. 430 again. And then VDA still looks like as a bull flag. AMD looks like as a bull flag. Okay. Okay, L1 PLTR, okay. Tesla, well, let's see 431. If it can break it, then 432. But at least these $2 I want to see here on the Tesla. Now it's breaking, you see? Nice, Tesla, go, go, go. SPY triple Q breaking. Nice. 592, 658. Okay.
Okay, guys, Oracle. Let's see if we can get 3 point. High of the day is 298.75. So I'm still there.
Hmm.
No power.
Apple looks interesting here too. SPRC halted again, really? My goodness. Look at this KMX, it's just perfect, Amir.
Yeah,
This is the
Agi.
perfect let it grow.
I have a big smile on my face. Even a plastic surgery can't remove it when I'm
And
watching
I,
KMX. Really, just phenomenal. Yeah, when it's doing like this, especially when the market is going up, you actually can feel how much the stock is weak.
yeah,
And again, we're
that's for sure.
getting towards 43, and that's the area for another quarter. Yeah,
Mm,
beautiful. Okay,
okay.
Oracle, we have 3 point. Uh, can take a partial there. I'm just, now want to see, like, I see everything's going pretty well, and it's still above the 9, so I don't want to take any partial. My idea is towards the high of the day.
Mm,
I don't like
565.
AMD, it's really small
Very,
candles, Aggie.
very
Yeah,
low now. Very
yeah.
slow, low.
I,
Market
I, th-
stopped a
I
bit.
think I think under 158 I'm gonna take a partial there.
Mm,
It has like a few candles that I don't like.
Yeah,
Especially when the market is doing something like this, I don't like it.
not the
Uh,
best.
yeah.
But Apple still looks strong. Market is still looking strong. So I don't think so. Bulls are going to give up after this move. But let's see. Okay. This that Roblox. What else? It's just pushing higher now.
Guys, Oracle, you can sing. Let it grow, let it grow. Let's see. Let's see. 298, 4 points. We can take some profits. Okay, we did 297.66. And KMX, guys, we're getting towards 43, $3 spread.
Hmm? Spy again, breaking soon. Look at that. Strong, strong, strong.
I think AMD heard me, Aggie.
Yes.
Now
He
it's
started to
starting.
go higher finally.
Yeah, I frightened her. Yeah, gave us another 40 cents.
I'm still patient with the Tesla because the volume in the red candles, it was really low. Oracle, nice pullback as
Yeah,
well.
yeah, 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 yeah. It looks really good. It did
Mm,
exactly, guys. It's still red, had a big red bars, but when you go up and deep, and you watch the chart, you see the change there. There was a
mm.
red bar, but you see the buyers, you see the volume, you see I like the 9 and the V up, raising it above. So when it actually line up on the V up, that's where we took it. 290, 290, what was the entry? 294.
Ooh, NVDA, come on. AMD, we are getting closer now to the $2 mark.
Yeah. Hey, KMX, guys. Buzak, go to Venice Beach and just tell everybody that you traded KMX. About 43.05, we can take a partial. Still holding. What a nice. The bid is under, but the ask is around.
Yeah,
Wow.
still looks good.
$1.75 on the second trade, guys. Really good. 1 to 4. 1 to 4,
Okay.
which is good.
Tesla, though, it's not going with these market traders. Hmm. Was hoping for a nice
Okay, guys.
reversal
Woo!
already or a partial
Buzak over
already.
8 over 90. We got to 80 over 42.90. So I have my limit. I have 90. We got to 42.84. Wow.
Reversal.
81. Okay, over 85. 42.85. I think it's almost the same like we broke the 45, the same numbers. Now
Yeah.
it's going to go up because earlier it got to 77, I think. Yeah, it's doing it again. 42.85. Okay, partial.
Okay.
Partial, partial, partial.
Yeah. Looks like some buyers. Just taking a partial on AMD too. And actually, this Tesla is really not doing what I wanted to see here. Just $1 now.
Yeah. Now we have to load the stop, Bozak. Let me
Not good.
see. Where do you think the stop is right now, Bozak?
Okay. A market with extended. Would like to see a small pullback first. Oof, Roblox filling the gap.
No, but you can. Definitely you can. There was like almost $4, $3. Definitely you can. I'm just now acting It didn't break the nines. Like, you know what? If it's breaking now the 297, I'm gonna take a partial. Yeah, yeah. It's not a game. I want to see if because I see the market and I don't see any reason why should I. And buyers are coming,
Yeah.
except in AMD now the sellers are coming.
Yeah, I took a partial.
Yeah, I'm taking
Good.
now a partial also, Agi. 158.45. Yeah, I don't like what's going on there. Like, okay, 297.50.
Nvidia continues higher though. I'm just seeing it's ready to
Yeah,
break out
AMD
again.
need to do it the same. 43.65. Ah, you mean in
Wow,
KMX?
Nvidia.
Yeah, you're absolutely right. Something like this. Yeah, definitely. Yeah. Hard stop, and you can actually put KMX in 15. Yeah, no, the 15, it's not helping us right now.
Mm. Yeah, Tesla is very slow. It's actually not doing too much.
Under 297, I'm going to take a partial in Oracle. But you can see, guys, put the Oracle, you can see the 297 area, really good support, really, for the bull flag. Out of the bull flag is 297.80. Okay, took a partial in Oracle. We have 3 points. Good.
Nice.
Yeah.
Mm. Checking Apple. Apple is back again to the highs. Apple wants to break out so much, but it just got rejected. NVIDIA is just going like crazy.
Yeah.
Nice, Tara. I know. Again, right? We thought this is the bear's paradise, and no, it's not. It's still far away. It seems like. Look at that market is just ready to break out again. Bulls are back with full force.
Wow, she only thought about shorting today. That's what she's saying, Tara. She wanted to short today only.
Yeah.
You can't. You have to be objective. You can't. You just can't. That's what I told. Who told me that he want to do the Tesla from the pre-market? He wanted to do Tesla long and see what happened at the beginning. You just can't do it. So if you see something, look at
Crazy.
this. The only short that I had today was KMX, Oklo at the opening. So we nail it. But after that, we switched too long with the market. So
Yeah.
nobody care what you think, Natara. Nobody care what I'm thinking, really. So we have to see the charts.
And charts are strong again, very strong indeed. Tesla finally getting to 431, hopefully again. If it cannot break it, guys, I'm going to take my partial there because it's really like a snail mode. Nitsan, I agree.
Where was your entry in Tesla, Aggie?
429,
Okay.
429. Come on, Tesla, break it. This is my last trade, guys. I need to leave like in 5 minutes, Amir.
No
For a
problem.
meeting. And here
I'm
comes
go.
Apple. Apple is going to
I'm,
break out. Yes?
I'm gonna keep the kids safe.
Good, good, good.
The kids will be safe. Guys, I'm watching now. There's nothing really, but I'm just marking myself 11 and I'm putting alert on QURE, the stock that
Mm,
Aggie told me from yesterday. I
good
like the area
favorite.
of 50, 75 because there was something in the opening, then rejected, went it to close the gap, and now I think 50.75 is an area that I'm interested. So I have alert like 20 cents before that. High of the day is 55. So what I don't know about this stock is I just want to know some information. QRE, lots of institutional, almost 4 ATR. Wow, relevant volume today 22, so people are still interested. Biotech. Ah, it's from Netherlands. If there is a guys from here from Netherlands, it's a company, it's a health biotech company from Netherlands. Unicorn. Hmm.
Hmm. Never heard of it.
Me too.
Okay, market is back with full force traders, and here comes my Tesla, hopefully for a breakout.
FCX. Let me see.
This one,
Let me
FCS.
put
Oh yeah, it
QRE.
got earnings as far as I remember on
FCX?
4.
Last week, no, something. FCX.
SPY starting to be really extended. It does not care about it though.
What do you think about FCX, Alex?
Okay. Oh, Tesla, come on. Can't believe this stock. Look at that. I need to take this dollar, guys. Need to leave soon.
If it's breaking the 431 Agi, it's gonna explode.
I know, that's
Yeah,
why I'm
but
still
there is.
waiting. But it's so slow now.
Yeah.
SPY triple Q just pushing higher and higher at the moment. Maybe there will be
Stuck.
a small stop here. I don't know. No, I missed my open VWAP reversal in the meantime. Okay. Tesla, I don't like you at the moment. I must tell you. I'm just taking a bit off, guys. Stop loss under 429, and unfortunately, I have to leave. I'm going to leave you in a good hands of Amir, and see you tomorrow. Interesting market again, full of the
Yeah,
buyers again.
yeah, yeah.
So it's just insane. So good luck, guys. Good luck, Amir. Thank you.
Thank you,
And
Agi.
as always, it was a pleasure to trade with
Me
you.
too.
Next
Do you
week,
want to put my
Tuesday.
chart, Agi? Agi, you can put
Yeah,
my
I'm
chart.
going to. Just a
Yeah,
sec.
and then if I want to show them something, I can. Alex, I don't see anything in FCX right now. There's
Yeah,
no
here we
edge
are.
for me right now.
Hmm? Um, they can see the room now, or what? So, okay, now they can see your, yes. Now they, no. The previous one, it was good. Now they can see the YouTube room.
Oh, just a second. I have to. Ah, something happened with the ninja, with the sharing.
Oh, no.
Yeah. Put yours. Never mind. I don't want to screw it right now.
Okay. Okay. Just going to leave it like that. Okay, guys, I have to run. Thank you, everyone. See you tomorrow. Bye. Bye, Amir.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Yeah, it's so cute, but I don't like to take it like this. Need to put at least few bars on the VWAP. I don't like it like this. Asper, see the only place you could on the reversal 650 Nitzan. Except that, no, no. Lots of tricks can happen. AMD, my stop is 157.80. Okay. Oracle stop is 295.80 also. You have any question about something you traded today, guys? We traded. That's a good time. We have time now. כל פעם הם מעלים לך את הפלזמה. גם מי שהיה אמור לבוא ב5 מגיע ל7. הם עצבנים. זה תמיד ככה. הנה, תקחי את האוטו שלי. תודה שם. לא רוצה. Now QER is good for me. $50.75 stop. Yeah, I will definitely want to take it. QER. How was your day today, guys? What was your best trade behavior? What was your worst? Now let's use me as a shrink. Trading shrink. MD still okay. Okay, QER in. Very good. Yeah. Yeah. Again, in QERE, if I'm gonna sit in 53, that will be good. Until there, it's not enough. I like the volume, that's for sure. It's good volume. OG, what do you mean? When you wait for the ask to go below the Oklo? Yeah, like if you saw what, I don't have problem even to get maybe 20 cents after. I have a big stop, so I can add, the another 20 cents for the stop, which is fine. I will take less shares because if you could see Oklo, sometimes they throw. There was a time that there was like 50 cents difference, like it broke even 10, 15 cents under the trigger, but the ask was like 50 cents above. So I don't have problem to, yeah, definitely to wait because sometimes this is how they get you in and then kick you out. Yeah, so this is why I didn't take it there. I was waiting to see and then, yeah, it was not much. I think it was like 20 cents I had less. Yeah. And I like to use the limit because again, you don't use the market, then you're gonna get a really lousy price. From throw a limit, sometimes you don't see it, but because it's between the range, you can get it. It can sit there, but then you can get it. KMX out. I'm curious, right? Let me see something. Uh, guys, do you see my email? Because there was a time I tried to write you stuff if you want to ask me a question and you couldn't see it. I think they changed something. Did you see that I wrote my email, guys? Oh, okay, thank you. You can. So you have to watch only the level 2. So for example, when the level 2 was 10 and the other one was like 50 cents and it got closer, I saw a limit and I got it. Yeah, I got it. I told you like 20 cents under, but I don't care. I don't care. No, Oklo, there was 115, I think. One of the trigger were, I got 114.80. Yeah. I didn't have a problem to really. It was a big stop. Again, if I ever stop with 30-40 cent stop, I'm not going to give it like 20 cents under because then it's almost 50%. But when I have like, $1.50, whatever, you know what I did with QIRE? I bought it like 50.69. I bought it a little bit before. Yeah, I took the chance. Sometimes I can do it. I saw the boot formation, and I knew that if it's going to break this situation, probably I'm not going to get. Uh, it's going to go over me. Believe me, I've been in that situation. Like I think the first candle was like 50 cent range. So sometimes I can do, or sometimes I can buy half position a little bit before and then add. Uh, Not pretty often, but yeah, I'm doing it. Give me a second. Okay, we have a dollar in QURE. It's looking good. Hmm? למי אני אומר לך?
באמת אתה עשית את זה עכשיו?
מי כבר מטומטם? MP? Let me see MP. Buzak, you want to lose your money? What do you have to do in MP right now? Lose. If you want to lose, fine. That's a good target. That's a good stock to lose right now.
Mine's car's downstairs right now for the guy, so it's yeah, it's definitely convenient if you have a charger available to you. I don't know. Yeah, that does look cool. And I like the idea. The idea is great. You're going to go car run the concept. All right, so we're back to flat on the TQs. At least we can have a lane trade here today, which is nice. So hopefully this can turn out to be one. We just covered half of this trade. We did get stopped out there at $100.20, but we got right back in because it was a very same stop for that period. This time we got back in and got it at half for a much better risk to reward than what we had in the past. Now it doesn't come right back on. So at least we had a good idea of getting something out. But this is when I have my worst days. Is when you're thinking about just keep on going into the same tissues over and over and over again, despite it telling you it's wrong. So if this breaks 30, then we're gonna get out. It's funny that just came back up and it's ripping right now because Neil was talking to me there. But that's we had it there, and that's when we were starting to cover. And I would have liked to have mentioned that, but I'm just mentioning it because I'm just mentioning it in stuff over there. Just letting you guys know that if you're both that top that we're at, so we took another shot right there. So again, the big hit is Micron really getting stopped out there around 159. It is now looking like it wants to top out, but again, these features are like on the road to getting greedy. I feel like here a little bit, so I'm not 100% certain on what exactly we want to do. We'll retest Micron here at the 21 period to go short a little bit here, but not completely alone. Just go a little short here at 158.60, hoping against that 159. I just think this market's had a huge move up, right? Micron's still down 2% there today. I know they had some
Ah, you wanna short it? Okay. Um,
China's YMTC plans DRAM and
still going. I don't know. You can watch it, but it's still going.
AI chip expansion rate there. So that's not going to make Donald Trump too happy about its expansion into China. But
Right now, my stop in
um, maybe that's part of the bump up today.
under 50/50 in QURE.
Intel
So
got
it's
earnings
like
day today.
25 cents.
Bounced up significantly. Look at Intel, man, through $33 right now. A huge volume today. 110 million shares for INTC. That thing keeps on pumping too. So yeah, man, it's here today. The moves are up. It's up. It's up. It's up. Cardi B right there. But wow, there's Palantir's up for sure, man. We like you a lot. This would have been a great day to look at your portfolio in the morning after 9:30, and then now that would make you feel much better if you have a lot of these tech names as they all continue to fly
Um, where do I go? Every place is good. You can go to pre-market Nasdaq or CNN or even on your platform. You have gainer losers, and definitely I want to see guys with big volume and percentage. Like, let's talk about what I have today. So I had KMix, I had um, Oklo, I had Rigetti and Luck. So Oklo and KMX, we did really good trades. MU, I didn't trade it, but because of MU, I went to same sectors. I was watching AMD, so this is why, for example, AMD looks better. Okay, and Oracle also always on my backside. Oracle and Tesla. Tesla, I didn't see something, but and Regatti, I didn't have time to see it. It did something, but definitely that's the way I'm watching it every day. I'm a momentum trader. I don't want to get bored, so I have to go to stocks that's doing something. And if I see on the pre-market they already did, I have the levels. That's why KMX I felt really good, and I did even two trades. And the first trade we even add a lot. So
upside. So yeah, a little bit of a rough day here for me, but I'll just speak for myself. Very
Buzang,
we did
go to
see
Venice Beach.
high
I
profit
think you earn it.
so
Um, you start to looking for more trades not solid. It's time to take a break, which is good. Which is good.
all right, I'll stop talking. We'll take a time off. When we get back, it's Agi and Amir.
How many of you are doing everyday DRC, daily report card? You want to start? Definitely. It gives you a good DNA of what you're doing. Good, Baxter. Really? Like KMX, like opening momentum in trade like this. This is why I told you at the beginning. I even add and add. Um, that's for me an A plus for the opening. Really. Um, this is why I told you in certain time I didn't see the capitulation. I told you I will have to reduce because I was with big size there. Um, And the trade also with Oracle, definitely one of the best. Also good A1. And if you know that you already did traded like this so many, you can actually size it more and make a really good day. Now Excel, throw it away. Go to trade view. Again, I think until 10 and 100 under 100 trade a month, you're not paying, and if you are, I think the minimum will be like 20 something. It's amazing. I tell you why. People send me the Excel. It's nice, everything, but really, it's not the right one. In those platforms like the TradeView and everything, you actually can tag, and that's the cool stuff, to tag it and make a report card. And when you tag a trade, let's say open momentum or reversal from V up 9 EMA, open in the first 15 minutes or maybe after hour or whatever, you immediately see where you achieve your money and where your money is gone, and by tagging, and that's the amazing thing to do. And then you have a view of what you're doing, because sometimes, the day after you're not going to remember well. A week after, it's vague. So that's why it's better. Okay, QURE came back to entry.
We do have jump menus coming, so I don't know if you're going to be thinking about lunch with that guy or not. But right now, let's go talk about what's for lunch. Joints. Of course, the minute that Jeff is here and wants to maybe go out. Today is taco day right now, so you will hit. It's just celebratory. It's not you and salad. This is like your big celebration, but you never get tacos. You'll always want tacos. And today it says there's tacos, chicken and beef tacos. And believe it or not, there's a vegetarian option. I can go back to our story in Rose that we had before, where we kind of looked at me like we were speaking Mandarin when our guest asked if there was a vegetarian option for the tacos. But that's there. Chicken and beef. What would you prefer, chicken or beef and taco? Beef. Beef. Okay. It's kind of a thing. I like chicken. I don't have either, but I just say. I would say. I don't mind that. Spicy. I would say fish. My favorite shrimp, but I don't give up chicken. And then side of corn and salad. So that is really good. It may be a corn succotash. You may be right. If you are, that wraps up what's for lunch. Okay, so tacos, good to go right there. All right, so here's coming up here in West South right there, and I was on Ryan's completely different piece altogether. I'm going to read for my problem. We did short it finally. We got hit on the. This is my whole day is basically like on hit, to be honest with you. We lost on the futures, but like I said, not as much. Cup of coffee there on Ethereum. About 3 or 4 cups of coffee on the NASDAQ, and a franchise still on my product. But we're going to wait here. I'm bidding 150 and 11s to see if we can get out near 150, and then after that, we'll see how low can we go on Micron, and potentially not low at all, as Micron did today and top lesson. I'm not sure what that lesson is. All right, we will don't just trade 12s. Come on, Micron, I had 11s. That was nice to get that. Come on, Micron, you joined 11s. Now I'm holding up the bid at 11. That's me on NASDAQ. Oh boy, you just missed it. Okay, so did we get it? No, we did not. Yes, we do. Now we get it on Micron. Look at we go today. Let's go. That's it. That keeps on going to the high side. So ride that bull.
Okay, OG.
All right, put a little bit of damage back into the system on Micron. We did get our 11 fill there, so there it comes in. I think it might start going to 10. That's a good fill. Even now it's down here, so that's kind of why we put it there. Just 158, just ahead of it.
Still in QURE, got to 50, 53.
Down on Micron.
Under 50, like 45, I'm out.
And then maybe to make it all back, to be honest with you, if we do get a nice lower move here on my run. So here it goes, man. So far, so good. Props it up. It's 50 cents in the money. Thanks for joining us. I got something that I've been hearing where maybe I should not have. And then the TQs, man, they just ran that top for me. Like I said, we had some good X, just right there. So completely fine with that risk. I think we like where we took that shot. So
That's all that matters. You gotta take, don't put cross half court and just take one of those like heat check threes that you see way too many on the NBA. But we have two questions before we go over there. One's a super chat, but I'm going to get to Rolex first here. Pounds here. Did I think it was going to get to 184 today? Absolutely not, because I was looking for short of the prior low, which thank goodness was $4, $7 ago rather. But yeah, the 184. If it can do a trend break like Intel did, yes, I would take that short. And then how does the bounce on Armageddon when it comes back into VWAP? My first answer would be my Palantir might be breaking that trend right now. I've got on another level two over here, so I'm not going to miss it. So ideally not. Make sure we're ready for it. And we're getting, in terms of bounce off the long weighted average price, I'm not necessarily, like, I don't love it. If I'm thinking strength continuation on today, I'd rather it be in like a more quality making money company, not the frothy ones. Those I'm not feeling for the bounce of small. I know it can be a potential squeeze play, but like I'm not taking it because I feel like if it fails, and if the market does roll over, these guys get punished more than anybody else. That's just the way I'm kind of approaching it today. So I'm not going to take it on Rigetti. I feel like they're on the other side. Let's go to midday. We want to get some tacos and some lunch instead. Well, let's just do both. But let's go over to Sharif and Joseph. We'll see.
Welcome to the Midday Show, guys. That's your boy Jerry Options, and I'm Sharif, and I'm muted. And I'm fighting with the taskbar today in my on my setup here. The taskbar, I've instructed the Windows taskbar, Joseph, to hide. But it thinks that we're playing a game hide and go seek. We're not. I'm actually telling it to not show up on my screen, but it keeps showing up. Does anybody know how I can get rid of the taskbar once and for good? Because this computer just may end up destroyed and I may end up fired. Oh, shout out to Bishop Perkins, Rob Jenkins. We got all the cream and James Price, shout out to JG and Isaiah.
I have few OG. Few.
All class.
Um,
Absolutes and dangerous Dan Gale. I know you didn't call yourself that, but that's what I'm calling you.
yeah, believe it or not, Nitzan, when I don't have something to say, I'm not saying.
Mr. Bones.
Yeah.
Dollar Sales Solutions and Odd Dog. Shout out to Ronaldo and Burton G. Sean Carter's in the house. So is Purity. Drakus is a look at the future. If he died, he died. Shout out to Anish. You want to trade with our full-time trader, same shirt guy, and dirt trader, truth seekers joining us as well. Joey Options. Good morning, my man.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Tennis is life. Come on, man. You don't really want to start the day off like that now, do you? Come on. All right, guys, what do we got going on here today? I haven't taken a single trade yet, personally. I've seen one good opportunity for me on Ethereum. Didn't even take a stab. It was just like, let's be a little bit more patient. If this market continues to grind, then we'll look for some topping signals. But that was the bottoming signal. But I'm like, God, do I really want to be getting involved in Ethereum considering how weak it is? And at the lows, guys, it's down 20%. So are we in bear market territory for Ethereum? I think so. I'm keeping my eyes on some things. If we continue to get extended, then I'm going to look for a potential short move back in towards the volume weighted average price. I do like this little consolidation that we got on the TQs here. Now heading towards that key support level. Obviously, want to get it at the higher end of the range. But again, if this market's going to continue to grind higher and higher, I'm not going to expect these pullbacks to be overly deep. In the crypto space,
No. I told you under 50. I lost there like 25 cents. I'm out. No. Not playing with that one. I had stopped 50.45, got out. Yeah.
All right, guys. I'm involved in DVLT over here, and taking a couple prints, but can show me 87s. The 10 EMA on the 5 is 85 pennies to be exact. This is a sub $1 name. Yeah, look, the pickings have been slim for these small cap gappers. Obviously, we had LAC yesterday, but that's not really a small cap gapper. I'm talking in the strict sense. So we'll see exactly what we can get on this one. I'll add into it at 85. It's got a good trend, higher highs, higher lows, but it just did make the first 5 minute candle to make a new low. Basically, since this candle over here. Oh, actually, this hammer candle over here at 1040, 1104. So we'll see if the trend has been broken or whether or not we're going to maintain our price above the 10 EMA. I'm also keeping an eye on USAR up 8 change. Yeah, we're talking about single digit percentage winners, small cap gappers. It feels like very, very recently we're talking about quadruple digits, but that's the nature of trading, right? You trade the market that's in front of you. USAR finding some support at $18, a psychological area of support where the 10 EMA on the 5 is also showing up. I get into this if it makes the first 5 minute candle make a new high. So currently that would be above 18 and a fifth. We'll keep tabs on that. SPRC was a triple digit winner, but it is now halted multiple times to the downside. I love when they did make all the noise. And then to come all the way down into about $7 area. I'm looking for 6. I'm saying that again. Sorry, brother. You guys said they've been making that noise all morning. Yeah. Well, you're right there too, brother. So I'm sure you were hearing all of it. So, 675 guys is where VWAP is at SPRC. It's already losing volume weighted average. It's held it down a bunch of times. I think as well. Yeah, it did. So a couple of 3 down pulls in a row now. I've drawn this trend line over here to kind of gauge trend. If it breaks above the trend line, then we'll get involved. I'm not going to try to catch it at what I think are good levels like VWAP, psychological areas for it. It's going to have a great trend. So that's the look right now in SPRC. Let's continue on. LASE up nicely as well. And I'm talking again nicely. High single digit, 8 2/3. Finding a little bit of support here at 4 3/4, but also still putting a very, very clear downtrend. So that doesn't interest me whatsoever until the trend changes. And UAI lost VWAP. It's got to get back above a buck 18. It's up 20, almost 24%. VERI. I mean, look at this. Now we're talking about single digits there, Shelby. That's how much I'm trying to find over here, grasping at straws, so to speak. 571 VWAP area on VERI could be a pickup. OPAE also interesting one as well. Went red to green, got above that
2 small cap that I'm watching right now. USA and very. I'm waiting for the 5 minutes, but these are 2 small cap that I'm watching.
$7 and change. If it's candle right now, not exactly an appetizing setup to get in, but at a key area of previous resistance.
Even though, John, on 5 minutes, the PLTR still on the 9 EMA, so I would have, if it's break, I want to see the end of this 5 minutes, and then I'm going to make a decision. It's still on the uptrend, PLTR.
Knowing that defended the 10 initially at 950, and then secondarily here at a triple bottom from 930, from 1045 to 1045, and if it comes back in to this level over here, I'm looking to buy, looking for trend to hold. So those are the ones I'm looking at, Joey. I'm sorry, guys, because they are a light bunch, right? No triple digit winners, and very few high double digit winners. So we will keep that.
All right, good stuff. All right,
On the Q triple Q short or
we go
$70 in the money on your friend Micron as they have to go to the Katina Bay screen. He's going to show the position real quick there. As you see, we'll include in a second. But yeah, of course, Micron guys.
Watching very VERI. We have another minute. I want to take it. I want to wait for the minute first, but 584, 10 cents stop. We have 50 cents, 50 seconds to finish this candle.
Roger, I'm essentially got some minute to get it. Like we were, where's my mouse?
584.
It's not that. This is what I'm a little upset about because in these futures we had took it and it got stopped out almost basically at the top. And we were saying that we didn't want to reload it, so now it's coming back in. But just watch out. There's a 200 period moving average coming in there. And then we didn't make it all back, but we made back about 2/3 of our micron loss right here. And we're still holding on, but we did break VWAP. So now we'll see if we can get back into 156 and change.
Even if they look like very similar topping patterns on the triple Qs that
Yeah,
you
I
there.
mean, check out the OC back read as well. Look at this. There's a theory right here.
Okay, we have
There's a
4
stopped
cents.
out right at
Above 584
there.
in
So
very.
now, if you look at that
Stop
as
gonna be
well,
10
so
cents.
I mean, there were just some topping tail candles, and Emil and I had this thing about being disciplined. And I think that if you're going to have big days, you want to not have big losing days. So you want to protect some of that profit. So although we'll lose today, we'll be red, and I don't have the ego to not tell you guys that. That's no problem. But there it is. Nice move down here for Micron. We're trying to make back in as soon as the setup is potentially displayed. So yeah, that's what we got going on. Lower end of the range, right area. Potential bullfight. Downtrend is still fully intact. And so essentially what I'm thinking here is that if this closes at a hammer right at the volume weighted average price, I'm doing the exact same thing over again. We're going to pop in there, give it 10 cents, and then hopefully get a move to the top end of the range. Liquidity grab possibility, and then maybe a second leg higher back into the top end of the downtrend portion.
All right, guys, QLG, and I'm keeping an eye on this one. Nice new breakout here. Just picked up on the scanner, coming into about 6 and 640, 51%. Okay, decent. Five. We need to keep the. I need to keep my eye on this one. Five. So QLG. I don't put it on the side chart. Okay, topping tail into 648, coming aggressively down, losing six. Here comes 575. This thing is insane. VWAP is 575, losing VWAP, ends the trade. We're going to try it here. Missed it, missed it. Just it's super volatile, not letting me in. Let's see if we can get caught on a dip down. 595, going long here. Let's see what we can get. We got, I don't know why my position board is not showing up, guys. So we're long at 596. So let's post up here at threes, and then we'll also post up.
Okay, guys. So very looks good. 584, 10 cents. User USAR 1803. We have like 25 cents stop. Also looking good. Hopefully, something will happen. If you need, if you want to ask me question which I didn't answer, email me. If you want to know about my mentoring program one-on-one, also email. Um, this is the link. You can see all my. I'm posting from time to time triggers that I did on my channel, so definitely you can subscribe. And okay, user is in USAR, guys. Got in. Except that, guys, thank you very much. It's a good day today. Bye.